Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I am bringing today skew lines in 3D chapter. These lines are called skew lines if they are neither parallel nor intersecting. This can happen only when they are in the space. As you might have seen in many of the pictures, or in serials, Ram and Ravana scene is there. Arrows are coming either on the upper side or in the lower side, and they are not touching each other. They are skew lines. Thank you very much. Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I have brought notes on distance between the two skew lines. First of all, we must know what are skew lines. Lines which are neither intersecting nor parallel. Neither intersecting nor parallel are called skew lines. Which are neither intersecting nor parallel are called skew lines. This can only happen in space, if they are in space. Let us take the case of Rama and Ravana throwing arrows on each other without touching is an example of skew lines. Now our motive is to find how to find the distance between them. Let us find out what is the formula to calculate the distance between the skew lines. Now let us see here, this is the formula. Let L1 and L2 be the two skew lines. Look here, this is L1 and this is L2. Now vector equations are given here. R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1, and second is R is equal to A2 plus lambda B2. The formula, the distance D, look here, the distance D between these two lines, that is the perpendicular distance. Here it is 90 degree. Now the formula is like this. D is equal to PQ is equal to magnitude of or modulus of B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. Now we have been given these two lines. Then the Cartesian form is like this. L1 is equal to x minus x1 over A, y minus y1 over B1, and z minus z1 over C1. L2 is x minus x2 over A2, y minus y2 over B2, z minus z1 over z minus z2 over C2. So these are two lines in the Cartesian form. So by the above formula, this formula, we can calculate the distance between two skew lines. Now see, here is the example. Here is the example. Example on skew line. Example number 1 is there. Find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are, look here, vector equations are R is equal to, this is vector A plus lambda B. This is R is equal to, this is vector A, this is plus mu B. So these two vectors, these two equations are in the vector form. So here A1 is I plus j, A2 is 2i plus j minus k, and this parallel vectors are 2i minus j plus k, and in the second case it is 3i minus 5j plus 2k. So we will find out the cross product. Cross product means determinant. यहाँ i j k लिख दीजिए. b1 is this. b1 is 2 minus 1 1. यहाँ second line आ गई. b2 की ये third line आ गई. On solving this, we get b1 cross b2 is equal to 3 minus 1 7. 3 minus 1 minus 7. So its magnitude. Why we are calculating the magnitude? Because we have to put it in the formula. So the magnitude of this 3 square, 1 square, 7 square. This is root 59. Now we have found the cross product, and here is the calculation for a2 minus a1. This is your a2, this is your a1. Subtract kar do. You get 1 0 minus 1. Put it here. Put it here. And b1 cross b2 is 3 minus 1 minus 7. So on calculation you get 10 over root 59. Look here, very simple. आपको a1 पता है, a2 पता है, b1 पता है, b2 पता है. बस आप सिर्फ फार्मूले के अंदर लगा दीजिए and you get this distance between the skew lines. This question is very, very important, and in almost all the final exams conducted by CBSE, these questions are most of the time there, and this is of almost 6 marks. So you should understand this properly so that you are able to come out with flying colors. So I hope you might have understood how to calculate. You have to write in the vector form, and you have to calculate b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. Thank you very much for liking my videos. I will request you to please share this among your friends. They will also be benefited, and I will request you to subscribe it if you like it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night.